Padang Serai MP Datuk Azman Nasrudin is expected to be charged on Monday in connection with an alleged corruption case involving a Kedah state-owned cattle farming joint venture. Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission Chief Commissioner MACC Tan Sri Azam Baki on Saturday confirmed that Azman will face charges alongside another individual. Azman was reportedly detained by the Kedah MACC on Friday ahead of the court process. The case is linked to a state cattle feedlot project, with investigations beginning earlier this year. Sources say the probe centers on an alleged 400,000 ringgit Malaysian payment to secure land use approval for the project. Azman later confirmed his detention, but questioned why his status had been changed from witness to accused. He said he had previously cooperated with investigators, including visiting the MACC Kedah office in March as a witness. He added that he later received a sudden instruction to meet an investigating officer at the Sungai Buloh R&R northbound. Perikatan Chief Whip Datuk Seri Taqiyuddin Hassan said the coalition will leave the matter entirely to the MACC. Taqiyuddin added that Perikatan is transparent about the issue and hopes the Padang Serai MP will be given the right to legal representation.